It is properly aligned. All of the peripherals are self-contained, although I'm piggybacking off my other exhaust right now, off Cyclops. But I'm at a point where it is functional. I'm using Inkscape and Whisper right now. So let's just send something to it and see what happens. A roll of copper pipe just fell off the hanger. That's what that noise was. I almost jumped a little bit. So, the next phase, and this will be documented very well with a video, is the installation of a Cohesion 3D Mini controller so that I can use Lightburn. And it looks like I need a little bit of smoke assist. It's leaving quite a trail. It's actually a pretty cool looking shadow. So there it is. And then after the cohesion, I'm going to do some more advanced articles on the, well, this one shouldn't be advanced, but the new power adapter that comes with the cohesion. If you get it, it's an option, a highly recommended option. The Cohesion Mini is now available with its own power source that is big enough to drive external stepper drivers for Z and rotary. So that's something to look at if you're looking at getting a Cohesion, or if you already have one and don't have it on an external power supply. This is the power supply is going to be as plug and play as you can get, and I'm going to document how to install it. I'm going to document how to install the GLCD, the external steppers for the Z-axis. I don't have a rotary. I may get one. There we go. Hello, I am Odin, but I do have a Randy Smith Holgamods Z-axis laying around, and I'm going to install it on here, so that'll probably be a video. But Odin is resurrected. I don't have all the stickers and stuff on it yet. I'm going to pretty it up a little bit. But there it is, folks. Odin is alive and well. Alright, until the next one, Tech Bravo, I'm out.